Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I have a special unboxing for you guys to check it out. These are the two of the battery operated LED light box. It is from Room Essential. This one is from the Target, $14.99, and it includes 105 changeable plastic cards. I guess it's plastic letters. There's a push button right there for the lights to come on. I will show you guys in a moment. So let me give you guys the 360 view of the box real quick. LED light box, white LED, on and off switch with the 4-hour timer, powered by 6 1.5 volt. It is a AAA battery sold separately, or plug in a USB port via USB cord included. USB power adapter not included. Indoor use only. And that is the barcode. And these are all the letter or character that comes with it. You have 4 of the letter A, 3B, 3C, 3D, 4E, 3Fs, 3G, 3H, 3I, 3J, 3K, 3L, 4M, 3N, 3 O's, 3P, 2Q, 3R, 3S, 3T, 3U, 3V, 3W, 2X, 3Y, 2Z, 1 exclamation mark, and 2 at the pound sign or hashtag, and 2 at the end sign, 1 question mark, 1 apostrophe, 1 at sign, and I'm not sure what's that, balloon, 1 balloon, 1 birthday cake, 1 1 heart, 1 lipstick, 1 at the music note, 1 sad face, 1 smile face, 2 at the 0, 2 at the 1, 1 at the number 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 at 5, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8, and 1 at the 9 numbers. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. Let me push in the box, push the light for you guys to see real quick. And this is what it look like. So it is awesome if you guys are gonna have like a party at nighttime or something, or meetings. So it says, please remove this plastic strip before use. So you could remove this. Also, if it comes with this micro USB adapter right there. And the 2 holes right here, this was for this battery source. And this is the on and off switch. So the battery goes here. You need to remove the Phillips screws. There are 2 screws right here on each end. Oh, cool. So the micro USB cable is over here. Nice. And they just plug in here. And you can hook up to your computer or whatever USB power source that you have. And if you want to plug this at the wall outlet, you need like a AC to USB adapter, okay, or converter. You could also hook this on the wall if you want. There's a nail hook or screw hook. Let's go ahead and put this back. Nice storage compartment right there for the USB cable. It's hidden. And then you got all your letters and then your character and emoji. It's an individual plate. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so total of 6 plates of letters and character and emoji. Then they come with this instruction booklet. Show you on how to insert your message. All right, let's go ahead and then move on to the next one. Next one is basically the same. This one is $19.99. It is bigger. So again, it comes with 105 changeable plastic cards. So I believe all the letters and everything will be the same. So I'm not gonna go over that. So I forgot to show you guys the size. So this is the size for the small one. 5" by 7". And then the big one, it is 8 1/5" by 11 3/4". So basically it's the same box and everything, just bigger. Oh, and the letters should be the same, and the numbers and everything. So let's show you guys real quick when the light's on. Okay, so open up. So again, come with the, I believe probably the same thing, 6 template. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. I don't want to open it and then lose it because this is more for my wife. So So again, you got the on and off switch, but so this one is kind of different. The micro USB charging cable is right here. And again, you got the hook right there if you decide to put this on the wall. And then, oh, this one is different, guys. This is 6 at the 1.5 volt, but this one requires AA batteries. So it says remove this 2 of the screws on the edge in order to access the battery. Let's take out this tray. And it looks basically the same charging cable, but this one has a bigger tray. I'm not sure if you could store all your letters on. Maybe this is a letter tray. Let me see. Yeah, it seems like it's a letter trays. So you can store your letters in there. So yeah. So you do just slide this out. It's kind of hard to take it out, so. And then put on your personalized message in here. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on that bell for notification. And drop your message or your comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always. Peace.